Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about Daina Penty's fashion choices. Daina Penty is a popular Indian model and actress who has made her mark in the film industry with her remarkable performances and impeccable style sense. From her red carpet appearances to her casual outings, she never fails to impress us with her fashion choices. The actress revealed glimpses of her latest appearance. Daina opted for a stylish ensemble by Ankita Jain, sporting a sleek black set. The top boasted tie-up panels at the front, a covered back, and full sleeves, accentuated by a halter neckline and a striking keyhole detail. Paired with a high-waisted skirt featuring a front knot and a daring thigh-high slit, the outfit was completed with a concealed zipper at the back and elegant black heels. Notably, Daina further enhanced her look with statement gold dangle earrings and a makeup look that included contoured cheeks, kohl-rimmed eyes, and nude lipstick. With her silky hair flowing freely, she confidently aced the OOTD. Daina has once again captured our hearts with her stunning green co-ord set. The three-piece ensemble, designed by Nikita Mahaisalkar, featured a strappy bralette with charming tie knot detailing at the front, relaxed fit pants, and a full-sleeved collared cape draped gracefully over her shoulders. Her only accessory was a pair of elegant golden hoops. Tying her tresses in a casual messy bun, the actress opted for minimal makeup with kohl-rimmed eyes, shimmering eyelids, well-defined cheeks, and a lovely brownish lip tint. The actress chose a vintage high-waisted skirt made of layered tulle, with shades of peach candy and cinnamon sorbet peeking through layers of tulle, silk and cancan. She paired it with a beautiful hand-woven silk bralette in a blush pink shade, adorned with tangerine and summer yellow borders, as well as an exotic pineapple and palm tree design. The deep plunging neckline added an instant touch of allure to her cheerful and carefree look. With open tresses and subtle makeup, including a glowing complexion, blushed cheeks, matte pink lips, and voluminous eyelashes, Daina looked radiant and stunning. The actress have been flaunting their collection of black dresses, and Daina Penty is the latest to join the trend, with a golden twist. Daina's strappy dress was sourced from the clothing brand, Rocky Star, featuring a sweetheart neckline beautifully adorned with golden floral patchwork. The ensemble was further elevated by layers of chunky chains around the waist, adding more drama and allure. She completed the look with wet tresses and a matte finish makeup, including kohl-rimmed eyes that complemented her overall appearance. Pairing a white crop top with halter neck details and blue denims, the actress exuded an uber-cool vibe. The wide-legged pants were particularly eye-catching, featuring distressed cutouts at the sides. She accessorized the look with a sleek metal cuff and a pair of black pointed heels, adding a touch of elegance to the ensemble. Daina completed her makeup look with kohl-rimmed eyes, well-contoured cheeks, and a lovely pink lip color. In another instance, Daina Penty raised the bar for casual dressing, donning a cropped denim jacket and distressed jeans. The outfit was complemented by chic beige pointed ankle boots, adding a touch of sophistication to her overall look. The actress shared a captivating video of herself sporting a stunning black slip dress. The backless dress boasted spaghetti straps and a thigh-high side slit, rendering her effortlessly chic and stylish. To complement her off-duty outfit, Daina styled her hair in loose beachy waves, creating a perfectly coordinated look. Slip dresses are a simple yet stylish way to beat the heat and stay fashionable, as evident from the likes of Palak Tiwari and Deepika Padukone, among other Bollywood actors, who also seem to favor them as their occasional picks. She looked stunning and all set for Garba festivities in a gorgeous lehenga choli designed by Anita Dongre. The green-based lehenga skirt had a beautiful flare with a delicate floral print, while the embellished crop top had delicate silver beadwork on a deep red base, featuring strappy sleeves and a plunging neckline. To complement the choli, Daina wore a three-quarter sleeved short jacket with similar beadwork and embroidery in white and green on a red base. She styled her hair in a messy ponytail and opted for glamorous makeup with shimmer on the eyelids, well-contoured cheeks, and glossy lip color. Daina accessorized her look with a necklace from Anita Dong's label. The actress recently delighted her followers with stunning photos of herself wearing a backless chain top paired with brown trousers. With her captivating gaze, Daina's elegant avatars dressed in stylish silhouettes always leave fans enchanted. One of her latest additions is a black embroidered see-through body-grasping dress featuring delicate embroidery with fluid ruffle detailing and spellbinding lace combined with a bold and darker color palette. Namita Alexander was the stylist responsible for creating Daina Penty's sultry look with the assistance of Tanushka N. Pamwani. She also turned heads in an underwire corset-style bodice jumpsuit with gold-toned statement earrings. With her choice of statement silhouettes and minimal makeup, the actress is serving up some serious inspiration to up our style game this season. In another dramatic fashion pick, she paired a chain jacket with chain detailing with baggy jeans and completed the look with bronzed cheeks, subtle shimmer, and a nude lipstick. The actress mesmerized the audience at the Lakme Fashion Week with her ethereal ivory contemporary lehenga set from designer Disha Patel's collection. Her ensemble featured a plunging neckline blouse, a flared lehenga with floral detailing, and a sheer veil. Diana aced the minimalistic look with emerald jewelry that had a silver finish. Striking jaw-dropping poses for the social media family, she showed off her curves and looked breathtaking in photos captured by photographer Shubham Mandhyan. Diana's confident and graceful ramp walk did pure justice to the outfit. The July issue's black Ella long dress was recently spotted on Dina Penty. The straight-fit tube dress was adorned with floral lace details and transparent patterns. The dress came with a black tube top and a mini skirt underneath. Diana's outfit had a seductive edge with its revealing backless design. She paired it with black pointed heels and kept her accessories to a minimum, letting the dress speak for itself. She opted for kohl-rimmed eyes, contoured cheeks, and a touch of coral lip color for her makeup. She left her short straight hair open. The stunning diva was the showstopper for designer Pallavi Mohan's collection. She exuded confidence and allure in a subdued yet radiant cutout gown that featured daring sheer elements. The sequined ensemble exuded an understated elegance and could be an excellent choice for a bride's wedding wardrobe, particularly for events like engagement and reception. Dina Penty's versatility is evident in her filmography and fashion choices. From playing the role of a fashionable urbanite as Meera in Cocktail, to the vivacious Happy in Happy Bhag Jayegi and even an army officer in Parmanu, Dina has shown equal adeptness in all her roles. This versatility is also reflected in her fashion choices, as she hardly gets any red carpet look wrong. From Gaurav Gupta's sculpted gowns to exquisite Sabyasachi numbers and tulle skirts by Anita Dongre, Diana's eclectic style is defined by her ability to pull off any look with ease. Her well-tailored pantsuits and skirts perfectly accentuate her frame. One interesting aspect of her red carpet journey is her willingness to experiment with different brands, and Riddhi Mehra to Anamika Khanna, Dina embraces a variety of labels to enhance her unique style. In a recent photoshoot, Dina Penty was captured wearing a pastel ivory sari with delicate pink floral prints designed by Anvila. She paired the sari with a stunning backless shimmer blouse in light pink. She tied her hair in a neat bun and accessorized the outfit with studded earrings. Keeping the look simple, she opted for nude makeup with a pink lip tint. Floral saris seem to be the current trend among celebrities, and Dina Penty's elegant outfit adds to the list. Dina Penty is a Bollywood actress who has the ability to turn a hotel lobby into a fashion runway. With the right attitude, a pinch of pizzazz, and a great outfit, she can strut over the shimmering floors with grace. One such instance was when she was spotted wearing a single-strap shimmering gown with a leg slit, strappy black heels, and her hair in a low bun. She has always been known for her classic and elegant sense of style, and her fashion choices have always been praised by her fans and followers. One of her signature styles is her love for simple and understated outfits. She is often seen in classic silhouettes like a fitted blazer, a classic white shirt, or a well-tailored dress. Her style is minimalistic yet impactful, and she always looks effortlessly chic. Another fashion trend that Dina has been seen sporting is the fusion wear trend. She often mixes traditional Indian elements like a sari or a lehenga with contemporary Western wear like a blazer or a shirt. This fusion of styles has become quite popular among young Indian women, and Dina has been one of the trendsetters in this category. Apart from her classic style in fusion wear, she also experiments with bold prints and vibrant colors. She is often seen in bright hues like red, pink, and yellow, and she carries them off with ease. She is not afraid to experiment with bold prints like stripes, checks, or florals, and she makes them look chic and sophisticated. Dina Penty's fashion choices are a perfect reflection of her personality. She is classy, elegant, and always on trend. She has made a mark for herself in the fashion industry with her timeless style and her ability to mix traditional and contemporary styles. Diana's fashion choices have also evolved over the years. She started her career as a model, and her style was more on the edgy side. She was often seen in leather jackets, ripped jeans, and bold makeup. However, as she transitioned to the film industry, her style became more refined and sophisticated. One of the most iconic looks of Dina was in the movie Cocktail, where she played the role of Meera. Her character was the epitome of elegance and simplicity, and her wardrobe reflected that. She was often seen in simple cotton dresses, classic blouses, and denim shorts, which became a huge trend among young women. The actress' red carpet looks are also something to look out for. She always manages to make a statement with her bold and glamorous outfits. She has been seen in stunning gowns from designers like Falguni Shane Peacock, Amit Agarwal, and Gaurav Gupta, among others. Apart from her fashion choices, Dina is also known for her beauty looks. Her makeup is always minimalistic and natural, which complements her understated style. She is often seen in nude lipsticks, neutral eyeshadows, and a hint of blush, which adds a glow to her face. Diana's fashion choices have also inspired many fashion enthusiasts and designers. Her minimalistic approach to fashion has become a trend in the industry, and many young women are now opting for a more understated and classic style. The actress' fusion wear trend has also caught on, and many designers are now experimenting with the combination of traditional Indian wear and contemporary Western styles. She has also been associated with various fashion brands and designers. She has been the brand ambassador for popular fashion brands like Maybelline New York, TRESemmé, and Garnier. She has also walked the ramp for renowned designers like Manish Malhotra, Tarun Tahiliani, and Payal Singhal, among others. Apart from her fashion choices, the actress is also known for her fitness and healthy lifestyle. She is a fitness enthusiast and is often seen sharing her workout routines and diet tips on her social media platforms. Her fitness regime includes a combination of yoga, Pilates, and strength training, which helps her maintain her toned physique. Diana's fashion choices have also made her a popular figure in the fashion industry internationally. She has attended various fashion weeks and events across the world, where she has showcased her impeccable style and fashion sense. She has been a regular at the Cannes Film Festival, where she has wowed the fashion critics with her stunning red carpet looks. The actress has also been associated with various charitable organizations and causes. She has been a part of the Girl Rising campaign, which aims to educate and empower girls around the world. She has also been associated with the Mijwan Welfare Society, which is a non-profit organization that works towards the empowerment of women and children in rural India. In addition to her fashion and philanthropy work, Diana is also a talented actress. She has acted in several successful Bollywood films, including Cocktail, Happy Bhag Jayegi, and Parmanu, The Story of Pokhran, among others. Her acting skills and her fashion sense have made her one of the most popular and influential personalities in India. The actress' fashion choices have also extended beyond her personal style, as she has shown support for sustainable and eco-friendly fashion. She has been seen wearing outfits made from eco-friendly fabrics, such as linen, cotton, and bamboo, and has also promoted sustainable fashion brands on her social media platforms. The actress' efforts to promote sustainability in fashion have inspired many fashion enthusiasts and designers to opt for more sustainable fashion choices. Moreover, Diana's fashion choices have also been a reflection of her cultural identity. She has often incorporated traditional Indian wear into her wardrobe, which has helped her embrace her Indian roots and showcase the beauty of Indian fashion. She has been seen wearing saris, lehengas, and salwar kameez, which she has effortlessly paired with modern and contemporary styles. Diana has also been a vocal advocate for body positivity and self-love. She has emphasized the importance of loving oneself and being comfortable in one's own skin, which has resonated with many young women. She has encouraged women to embrace their imperfections and focus on self-care and self-love, which has helped her become a role model to many women. Diana Penty's fashion choices have also been influenced by her travel experiences. As a frequent traveler, she has been able to incorporate various global fashion trends into her personal style. She has been seen wearing outfits inspired by different cultures, including African prints, Bohemian styles, and Japanese fashion. Diana's fashion choices have also evolved over time, as she has experimented with different styles and trends. She has moved away from her earlier girl next door image and has embraced a more edgy and experimental style. The actress seen wearing bold colors, graphic prints, and statement accessories, which have helped her create a unique and individualistic style statement. Moreover, Diana has also used her fashion choices to make a statement. She has supported various causes and movements through her outfits, such as the Me Too movement, LGBTQ+ rights, and gender equality. Diana has been seen wearing outfits with feminist slogans and symbols, which have helped her showcase her support for these causes. In addition to her fashion choices, Diana's beauty choices have also been a topic of discussion. She is known for her flawless skin and radiant complexion, which she has attributed to her healthy lifestyle and skincare routine. The actress' beauty routine includes a combination of natural remedies, such as turmeric and honey face masks, and high-quality skincare products. Apart from her fashion and beauty choices, Diana Penty is also known for her healthy lifestyle and fitness regime. Being a fitness enthusiast, she adheres to a rigorous exercise regimen to keep herself in shape. The actress' workout routine includes a combination of cardio, strength training, and yoga, which she has credited for her toned body and healthy mind. Diana's dedication to fitness and healthy living has inspired many people to adopt a similar lifestyle. She has been a vocal advocate for mental and physical health and has emphasized the importance of self-care and self-love. The actress' positive attitude towards health and wellness has helped her become a role model to many young women. Furthermore, Diana has been associated with various brands and organizations that promote healthy living and sustainable lifestyles. She has been the face of the Live Pure campaign, which promotes the use of water purifiers for a healthier and sustainable lifestyle. She has also collaborated with the Green Batti Project, which is a non-profit organization that aims to provide education and support to underprivileged children in India. Dina Penty has also been a prominent figure in the Indian fashion industry. She has been associated with several leading fashion brands and has walked the ramp for various fashion shows. She has been a muse to several fashion designers, who have created stunning outfits for her. Her fashion sense and style have also been recognized by various fashion publications. Her appearances in various fashion magazines such as Vogue, Elle, Harper's Bazaar, and Grazia are noteworthy. The actress has been a cover girl for these magazines, and her stunning photo shoots have garnered widespread praise. Diana's fashion choices have also been appreciated by her fans on social media. She has a massive following on platforms like social media, where she shares her fashion and beauty tips, travel experiences, and personal moments. Her fans have often tried to emulate her style and have taken inspiration from her fashion choices. In addition to her fashion and beauty choices, the actress has also been a talented actress. She made her debut in Bollywood with the film Cocktail in 2012, which was a commercial and critical success. Diana's performance in the film was widely appreciated, and she went on to star in several other successful films like Happy Bhag Jayegi and Parmanu. She has garnered a devoted fan base due to her skill and versatility as an actress. Her fans have admired her for her natural acting skills and ability to bring depth and nuance to her characters. Apart from her career in Bollywood and the fashion industry, Dina Penty has also been involved in various philanthropic initiatives. She has affiliations with multiple charitable organizations that aim to improve society. The actress has been an advocate for education and has supported various initiatives that promote education for underprivileged children. She has been associated with the Nanhi Kali project, which provides education to underprivileged girls in India. The actress has also been a part of the Save the Children campaign, which aims to provide education and support to children in need. Moreover, Dina has been vocal about her support for the LGBTQ+ community and has participated in various events that promote gender equality and LGBTQ+ rights. She has been associated with the We the Women campaign, which is a platform for women to voice their opinions and promote gender equality. In addition to her philanthropic work, Dina has also been a vocal advocate for mental health. She has spoken openly about her own struggles with anxiety and stress and has encouraged others to seek help and support. The actress has been associated with the Empower project, which provides mental health support and counseling to individuals in need. Dina Penty knows how to party in style, and with her metallic eye makeup, she gives us inspiration to do the same. While gunmetal is not an easy color to pull off, the actress effortlessly carries it off. In addition to the usual golds and coppers, gunmetal chrome eyeshadow is unique and interesting, adding value to any outfit. Dina Penty proves this by rocking the metallic look with a simple white tank top. The key to nailing this look is to tone down the rest of your features, as she does. Dina keeps her look minimal and adds a touch of peach to her lips to draw attention to her eyes. Dina Penty has also been an advocate for sustainability and environmental conservation. She has been associated with various organizations that promote eco-friendly practices and sustainable living. She has been a part of the Eco Warriors campaign, which aims to create awareness about the importance of sustainable living and eco-friendly practices. Moreover, Dina has also been vocal about her support for animal rights and has worked towards creating awareness about animal welfare. She has been associated with the PETA campaign, which promotes animal rights and creates awareness about animal cruelty. The actress has also been a supporter of the World Wildlife Fund, which works towards the conservation of endangered species and their habitats. Diana's commitment to sustainability and environmental conservation has also reflected in her personal life. She has been an advocate of sustainable fashion and has promoted the use of eco-friendly fabrics and clothing. The actress has been associated with various sustainable fashion brands and has walked the ramp for sustainable fashion shows. In addition to her philanthropic work, Dina has also been a proponent of self-care and self-love. She has emphasized the importance of mental and physical well-being and has encouraged her fans to prioritize self-care. The actress has been associated with the Nykaa campaign, which promotes self-care and beauty products. Dina Penty's success in the fashion industry is not just limited to her red carpet looks and magazine covers. She has also ventured into designing and has collaborated with various fashion brands to create collections that reflect her personal style. Dina has collaborated with the fashion brand Vero Mode to create a collection that reflects her personal style. The collection comprises of chic and trendy outfits that are perfect for everyday wear. Diana's collaboration with Vero Mode has been well received by her fans and has helped her establish herself as a fashion influencer. Moreover, the actress has also been associated with the jewelry brand, Hazorilal Legacy, and has collaborated with them to create a collection of exquisite jewelry pieces. The collection comprises of statement pieces that are perfect for special occasions and weddings. Diana's collaboration with Hazorilal Legacy has helped her establish herself as a style icon in the fashion industry. In addition to her collaborations with fashion brands, she has also been a regular at various fashion weeks and has walked the ramp for some of the biggest names in the fashion industry. Her impeccable sense of style and her ability to carry off any outfit with grace has made her a favorite among designers and fashion enthusiasts alike. Diana's influence in the fashion industry is not just limited to her collaborations and runway appearances. In addition, she has actively promoted body positivity and inclusivity within the fashion industry. She has spoken openly about the need for the fashion industry to embrace diversity and to promote a healthy body image. Moreover, Diana has also been a proponent of age inclusivity in the fashion industry. She has emphasized the need for the fashion industry to cater to women of all ages and to promote a positive body image for women of all ages. Diana's advocacy for age inclusivity in the fashion industry has helped create awareness about the importance of representation and diversity in the industry. In addition to her advocacy for body positivity and age inclusivity, the actress has also been a supporter of sustainable fashion. She has been associated with various sustainable fashion brands and has promoted the use of eco-friendly fabrics and clothing. Diana's advocacy for sustainable fashion has helped create awareness about the impact of fashion on the environment and has encouraged the fashion industry to adopt sustainable practices. Furthermore, Diana's fashion choices have also reflected her personal style, which is elegant, chic, and effortless. Her ability to carry off any outfit with grace and style has made her a favorite among fashion enthusiasts and has helped establish her as a style icon. Apart from her fashion choices and advocacy work, Diana Penty has also been an inspiration to many for her fitness and wellness regime. She is known for her disciplined workout routine and healthy lifestyle choices. The actress associated with various fitness and wellness campaigns and has encouraged her fans to prioritize their physical and mental well-being. Diana's fitness regime includes a mix of cardio and strength training exercises, and she also enjoys practicing yoga. Her disciplined workout routine and healthy lifestyle choices have helped her maintain her toned physique and her mental well-being. Moreover, Diana has also been associated with the Live Laugh Love Foundation, which promotes mental health awareness and creates awareness about the importance of seeking help for mental health issues. Diana's association with the foundation and her advocacy for mental health awareness have helped create awareness about the impact of mental health issues and the importance of seeking help. Furthermore, Diana's fashion and beauty choices also reflect her love for simplicity and minimalism. She prefers to keep her makeup and hair simple and natural, and her fashion choices reflect her effortless and understated style. Diana Penty is a style icon who always manages to impress us with her fashion choices. Whether it's on the red carpet or on the streets, she always looks impeccable. So, what do you think of Diana Penty's fashion choices? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.